Hey guys, welcome back to the Paper Lion. I'm Gypsy. Good to have you guys here today. I'm back with another tips and tricks. Now, this is mainly for people who may not know that you can do this. So if there are you seasoned professionals out there who know this, then that's okay. But anyway, welcome back, guys. I am glad to have you back. Any new subscribers here, welcome. Anyone who is here and has not subscribed, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because I do post videos on a weekly basis. Anyway, don't mind my hands. They've got paint on them. I've been working all morning. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to, if you want to have the threaded button look. If you want to have this, you don't have a needle, you don't want to thread a needle, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Here is a simple and easy way to do it that I use. This is, not saying that you guys don't know this already. If you do, that's great. If you don't, then hey, you're learning something today. But anyway, what I do in my last tutorial of crafting on a budget, I showed you guys how I take a piece of wire and thread like my embroidery needles for when I'm getting ready to bind my signatures in my journals. Anyway, we're going to use the same little ratty little piece of wire. It should be thin wire. I think this is like what is this, like 24 gauge or something like that. Really thin wire, flexible, can get through little holes in anything. This one looks ratty because I use it all the time. But anyway, so yours will look like this if you've already been using this hack, or if you haven't, over time yours will look like this. Anyway, what we're doing, basically we're going to be taking a button, and since this is flexible wire and it can like get into little bitty holes, we're basically just going to push that through that first hole. And you're going to take your thread. Today I'm using embroidery floss. And you just stick it through there. Hold on to the ends. Pull it through. Then you're going to turn that around. And then you are going to repeat that on the other side. If it's a 4-hole button, of course, you would just repeat it on all sides. And then you just, of course, stick your thread right back through there. Mine is getting a little wiry. That's okay. It's okay. Just fix it and then thread it through. And of course, guys, we're on camera, so it wants to act a fool. Let's just trim it a little bit. And as you guys know, I never edit out like my mistakes or anything on camera, because when you're crafting, things happen like this, so it's like 100% genuine crafting on this. So anyway, now that we finally have it through there, we just pull it through. See how easy that was to thread that? And especially for people like me who wear glasses and it's hard to thread needles or whatever, this is a really good way to do it, because that wire, can open up so big. And then you just tie it on the back. If you want to keep your strings attached, you can. Sometimes that's cute. But in this instance, for what I'm making today, I am going to cut my ends off. And then I am going to take some glue. And sometimes the glue will seep through, but don't worry, guys. Most of the glue that we use dries clear, so it will not be that big of an issue. And of course, for buttons, you do need a little, enough to make it stick. I'm using my favorite glue, so I don't have a problem with it sticking at, in minutes. Sometimes it sticks like within a minute. And then there we go. And now we have a really cute little faux buttoned up button. Easy and simple to do. So anyway, guys, I hope you get to use this. If you already knew this one, let me know in the comments. If this is your first time seeing it, let me know in the comments. Anyway, guys, hope this helps someone, and until the next video, bye!